Hello students, welcome back. The last class we have seen the determination of sex in insects, mammals including man, then fowls, X as XY type, X as X0 type, ZW type. It's all in human beings, mammals, birds, and insects. What about plants? Today, let us see the sex determination in higher plants. Sex determination. Sex determination in Melandrium. Melandrium album. The mechanism of sex determination in higher plants, that varies from genus to genus, species to species. Some plants shows monacism, some plants show dioecium. That itself shows the genetic variation. See, what is monacism? Monaceous plants, the male and female flowers produced on the same plant or same flowers. Dioecious means the male and female flowers produced on separate plants. In the case of monaceous are of two types. What are they? In the case of the male and female flowers produced on separate, the male and female flowers produced on the inflorescence. See, in the case of Cocos nucifera, coconut, you can see the female flowers always attached on the female inflorescence axis, and the male flowers, after a few days it falls away. It is seen on the grounds. So that is also monaceous plants. And in some plants, male and female reproductive organs in the same flower. We call it as bisexual flowers, otherwise called hermaphrodites. So in this case, the determination, the mechanism of sex determination in higher plants is very difficult. But in the case of sex determination in Melandrium album, this plant belongs to the family Caryophyllaceae. It's a very interesting one. And here the mechanism is also XY type of sex determination, exactly similar to that of what we have seen in the human beings and eye color in Drosophila or Drosophila. But this particular plant, Melandrium album, was worked out by H.E. Warmke in the year 1946. H.E. Warmke, W-A-R-M-K-E, Warmke in the year 1946. Right? And in this particular plant, the gene for femaleness, femaleness seen on the X chromosomes, or the gene that promote femaleness seen on the X chromosome, and the gene for maleness seen on the Y chromosome, right? The gene for promoting the femaleness are seen on the X chromosome, and the gene for promoting maleness seen on the Y chromosome. Right? Could you follow me? And the plant which possesses XX are females, and those with XY are males. If there are 2X plus Y chromosome, they are actually male plant, they are actually male plant producing, no, sometimes produces bisexual flowers. Bisexual flowers. And similarly, when an organism having 4 eggs plus 4x, that means 4x plus Y chromosome, here 2x. And this 4x plus Y chromosome, they are actually bisexual flowers, producing bisexual flowers, and it also sometimes produces male flowers, right? And sometimes it produces male flowers. And this shows that, the Y chromosome has more male promoting effect than on the female promoting X chromosomes. The bisexual flowers, the bisexual flowers could mainly appear when there are 4 X chromosomes and one Y chromosome. So, male potentiality of Y chromosome is balanced by 4 X chromosome that stand for femaleness. So the Y chromosome, have a great role, plays a great role in the determination of sex in the case of Melandrium album. In Melandrium album, could you follow me this? What I told you is, in higher plants, sex determination is very difficult. And in the case of sex determination in Melandrium album, belongs to the family Caryophyllaceae. This was worked out by a famous scientist H.E. Wonge in the year 1946. And he noticed, the gene that promote femaleness are seen on the X chromosomes, and that for maleness on Y chromosomes. A plant with XX are females and those with XY are males. A plant having 2X plus Y produces male flowers or male plants, but sometimes it produces bisexual flowers. Similarly, when an organism having 4X plus Y chromosomes, they are bisexual. They are actually producing bisexual flowers, sometimes produces male flowers also. This clearly indicates that, demonstrate that, the Y chromosome has great role. The Y chromosome has a great role, or the Y chromosome has more male promoting effect than on the X chromosome, or the femaleness promoting X chromosome. Because bisexual plants could mainly appear when there are 4 X chromosomes and on Y chromosome. Right? So, male potentiality of the Y chromosome is balanced by 4 X chromosomes that stand for femaleness. In the case of Melandrium album, right? In the case of Melandrium album, the Y chromosome is longer than X chromosome. Y chromosome is longer than X chromosome, right? Y chromosome is longer, and these two chromosomes, a total of 5 segments. A total of 5 segments can be recognized. 5 segments is recognized. And in X and Y chromosomes, the 4th segment is common and it is similar, which is useful for pairing in meiosis. Which is useful in pairing meiosis. The 4th segment is almost similar. And this is the first segment. A total of 5 segments are recognized. This is first segments. And this is the second segments. And this is the third segments. Sorry. This is the second segment. This is the third segment. This is the 4th segment that is common. And this is the 5th segment. In these 2 chromosomes, 5 segments are recognized. The Y chromosomes are longer. And these 2 chromosomes, 4th segment is common in both the X and Y chromosomes, which helps in pairing during meiosis. In the first segment, the first segment in the Y chromosome, this is Y chromosome and this is X chromosome. In the first segment of the Y chromosome, they suppresses the female character. They suppresses the femaleness due to the 5th segment of X chromosome. Due to the 5th segment of X chromosome. And the second segment, it promotes the initiation of anther development. It initiates the development of anther. It promotes the initiation of anther development. And these third segments, controls the maturation of this anther. Controls the maturation of this anther. Right? And the 5th segments of 4th segments, I already told you, both are similar. And the 5th segments of X chromosome, that is the female promoter. That female promoter promote only in the absence of first segment of Y chromosome. If the Y chromosome is there, then it cannot promote the femaleness. So that is why I told you earlier, the Y chromosome plays a pivotal role in the determination of sex. Suppose this segment is not there and this plant is not female, but it is bisexual. If suppose due to mutation or it is deleted, and particular this segment, if the first segment is deleted, that the female suppressor region is gone, then it won't produce female flowers. It produces bisexual flowers. Why it is producing bisexual flowers? And the second segment is the region of Y chromosome that promote the initiation of anther development. And similarly, the third segments control the maturation of anther, so it produces anthers. And here also female, they produces bisexual flowers. That is the importance of Y chromosome. So in the particular case of Melandrium album, there are 2 chromosomes, the X chromosomes and Y chromosome. The Y chromosomes determines the sex. And in this Y chromosome and S chromosomes, a total of 5 segments are recognized. And in the 5 segments, what are the 5 segments? The 4th segment is almost similar in both the cases, X and Y chromosome. That is helpful for pairing during meiosis. In the first segment of Y chromosome, it suppresses the femaleness. If first segment is there, it won't allow the female character So that is why it is called first segment is called female suppressor region, and the segment in the Y chromosome, no, it promote the initiation of underdevelopment, and the third segment in the Y chromosome, no, it controls the maturation of under. And in the fifth segment in the female or the X chromosome, no, this is the female promoter region, and this female promoter region only active when this first segment is not of Y chromosome is not there. If the first segment is there, it cannot express its femaleness fully. So the Y chromosome only controls the sex character in Melandrium album, mainly because of these segments. And if this this segment is not there, deleted due to some mutations and all, if it is deleted, and this particular X and Y chromosome, they produces bisexual flowers. Why it produces bisexual flowers? The second segment and third segments. The first, second segment, it promote the underdevelopment, and third segment, it controls the maturation of under. That is why it controls the sex in Melandrium album. Would you follow me? Any doubt in this? I repeat once again. In Melandrium, X and Y chromosomes are there. This is the chromosome number is 24. Chromosome number is 24 chromosome number. And in this Melandrium album, X chromosomes and Y chromosomes are there. XS determines the female character and XY determines the male character. But the Y chromosome have supremacy. The Y chromosome, the number of Y chromosome is there. It produces maleness. Whether the number of X chromosome is high or not. The number of X chromosome is not a matter. That is why 2X plus Y chromosome that determines the male flowers. Sometimes it produces female flowers. And 4X plus Y chromosome, they produces bisexual flowers. Sometimes it produces male flowers. See, so in these two chromosomes, when you analyze, in the case of Melandrium album, Y chromosome is longer than X chromosome, and these two chromosomes, a total of 5 segments are recognized. In X and Y chromosome, fourth segment is similar, and which helps in pairing during meiosis. In the Y chromosome, the first segment is called the region is called female suppressor region, due to which the segment fifth of the X chromosome. It is the female promoter region. It is the female suppressor region. It always suppresses the expression of femaleness. And the second segments of this Y chromosome, it promote the initiation of underdevelopment. And the third segment in the Y chromosome that controls the maturation of under. And the fifth segment is the female promoter region that promote only in the absence of segment first in the Y chromosome. That is the sex determination in Melandrium. Could you follow me? Any doubt in this? Shall we stop today's class? Thank you very much.